This is Leap Day, February unta, and I'm making a video of my friend June cleaning up cat vomit. Oh, you're doing it so quick because I'm not going to be in the video.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just want to get rid of this vomit.
Someone who's prissy is not going to enjoy looking at this.
No, I'm afraid not. Well, I don't enjoy dealing with vomit, but you got to do it.
You know, I should call my mother right now and tell her I made a video of cat vomit.
You know, she's going to bitch you out for that. That's not normal!
Well, often it looks like the cat food.
Yeah, it does. Especially that one I just cleaned up. It was very solid. See, my cat had a lot of dental work, and she's missing a lot of teeth, like her mother.
And that's the cat that had diarrhea.
That's right, yeah. So anyway,
Wasn't the diarrhea nice?
It was not. So she can't chew her food properly, and she throws up every now and then. All right. Ugh, this is so gross.
You know, there are other videos on YouTube of cats throwing up.
I know, I've seen them.
Russ, apparently your mother criticizes you the same way my stepmother criticized me. But at least my father gave me support, which your father doesn't seem to do.
Or did.
No. Right, now I have to get disinfected and clean this. And next time I do laundry, this is going to have to go in the machine anyway.
Yeah, it's a good idea to clean it, or wash it.
Oh, most definitely. Oh.
Aren't you glad you didn't pop Brad out your twat?
Oh, yeah.
You'd be cleaning up baby shit every day, and
No,
5 diapers full of shit and human fucking filth.
Wouldn't it be nice if there were a young, vibrant new version that's a hybrid of Jude and me?
Vibrant. You know what Vibrant? You know what Todd did on the internet?
No, what did he do?
You only see it, but he put a proxy that when the word vibrant is used, he put something in called PC alert.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Todd said
vibrant is a good thing.
He said vibrant is a PC word.
It is? I didn't even know that. I thought I was up on that.
Well, maybe we should go call Todd while I'm here.
Yeah.
What's wrong with vibrant?
Yeah, why is that considered PC? Oh,
well,
I know I'm not
going
to be able to...
PI, politically incorrect.
Oh, I'm not going to be able to get all this off before we take it to the laundry.
You're going to get it off with the cat bomb, and you're going to beat off while looking at it?
I don't think so.
You know,
I'm a little strange, but not that strange.
Well, I would not beat off the cat vomit. Fuck that.
I didn't think you would.
I would beat off if someone...
That's your type.
Took a shit or something. But if it was diarrhea, I wouldn't beat off to it.
I remember you telling me that a certain friend of yours went into a bathroom stall after someone hot came out, and he took a picture of the hot person's unflushed poop.
I don't know anyone.
Yeah, I'll tell you who it is later.
Oh, no, well,
yeah.
I think I know who it is.
Yeah, you know, you're the one who told me that.
Well, this other person, of course, saw a hot person come out of the bathroom stall, and he saw a turd in the toilet, and he jerked off while looking at the turd.
Oh, yeah, okay, that's what it was. Yeah.
I don't know when. Well, I might beat off looking at the turd coming out of the hot body, but once the turd is out of the body, it's just a turd and it's yucky.
Yeah, because then you look at it and you can't tell who it came out of anyway. So yeah. All right, I'm finished for now. This is gonna have to go to the laundry eventually.
Oh yeah, I guess then we'll stop the video. It was certainly interesting and thought-provoking.
Yes, it is.
I don't see how. Or why.
Alright, the video will... Anything glad I have Asperger's?
Yes.
The most interesting videos in the world?
Yes.
Am I a person who's authentic?
Very much so.
That's a good way to conclude the video.
Yes, it is.
And of course, it's lot of people don't like the way I am, but fuck them.
Butt fuck 'em. Okay.
Oh, you know what? I told you. My mother said that people are out to get me. He said, no, people ain't out to get me. Then what are people out to do? Because she says, well, at the very least, everyone is thinking negative things about me because I say what's on my mind.
No, most people couldn't care less. They're so absorbed in their own selves. Really, I wouldn't worry.
Yeah, but my mother is very paranoid about people judging me.
She is.
Yeah, and my mother expects me to value their opinion.
Well, you shouldn't.
Fuck their opinion.
That's right.
Opinions are like assholes.
Everyone has one and they all stink.
Well, unless someone's good looking, and then their asshole smells good.
And it's still gonna stink.
Not if they're a space alien, because space aliens know how to process their shit.
Well, I mean, people from this planet.
Well, people on this planet suck, and not in a good way. Well,
God made man in his own image.
All right, as far I find Elliot very, very, very cute, but I'm not gonna sit there with my nose glued to this. I'm not gonna think that's a good smell.
Yeah, it's a smell that comes from...
Okay, can I get up now?
It's a smell that comes from Satan.
That's right.
Because Satan causes poop to stink.
Mm-hmm.
No, I believe God gave shit the smell so everyone would know it's shit.
I think you would know anyway.
Well, how about when you get fucked in the ass? And this is where the plumbing is all fucked up, because you want to fuck someone in the ass. You don't want excrement to be in the way to enjoy fucking someone in the ass.
Well, some people get off on that.
Well, the mentors could tell you more about that.
Yeah. Are you still making the video?
Yeah, it's still rolling. I think I'm going to stop it.
Okay.